What is a tax deduction? Hey everyone, Adam Bergman here, tax attorney and founder of IRA Financial. On today's video, I'm going to give you the basics and explain why a tax deduction is so important. Okay, and the tax deduction, the concept, self-explanatory, really. What it means to get a tax deduction is it reduces your taxable income. So just remember, going back to law school, which is a long time ago, the first tax course I took was basic federal income taxation. And I remember the professor was saying, it's like the first class, that any good tax attorney, the first thing they want to do is generate deductions for their clients. The second is generate tax credits. And the third ultimate gold standard is to shelter the income from tax. But tax deductions are key. Why? In the simple sense is it reduces the amount of tax you pay. So if you generate $100,000 of net income, whether it's personal or from a business, and you have $10,000 of deductions, you now pay tax on $90,000 versus $100,000. So if you have a 20% tax rate, 20% of $100,000 would be $20,000 in taxes. 20% of $90,000 would be $18,000 in tax. So you are saving $2,000 in tax, in my example, by generating $10,000 of deductions. So deductions are super important, whether it's making contributions to charity, mortgage interest deductions, business deductions. We're always looking for deductions. Right? If you look at the IRS, when they release their 30 dozen tax scams every year, most of them involve people trying to accelerate, fraudulently, but accelerate deductions. Right? The more deductions you get, the lower tax you pay. Just makes sense. So deductions are great, whether it's making pre-tax IRA contributions of $7,000 or $8,000 if you're over 50, SEP IRA contributions of $69,000, solo 401k employee deferral contributions of $23,000 or $30,500, or ultimately a $69,000 or $76,500 solo 401k deductions. Deductions matter. They reduce your taxable income, and the retirement system is an amazing, amazing path to generating high deductions. Again, whether it's just a traditional IRA or moving up the chain, SEP IRA, or even solo 401k, they generate huge amounts of deductions, but what they also do is generate what's called tax deferral, which if you check out a future video I'm going to do, I will explain what tax deferral does. And when you put them all together, the tax deduction and the benefit of tax deferral, you can see why there's 65 million IRAs, $13 trillion in retirement accounting, just in the IRA world. That doesn't include the 401k and pension world. When you add that together, there is over $33 trillion in retirement money. And it's based off those two foundations: immediate tax deductions, which reduces your tax liability, and tax deferral, which allows the retirement account to grow faster because it's not subject to tax. So that's it. This is just kind of a back to basics video, nutshell of what tax deferral is. I hope everyone understands it now. It's a super important concept. If you file a tax return, I hope you understand what tax deferral is, but if you don't, that's cool. Hopefully this video explained to you everything you need to know about tax deferral. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Have a great rest of your day, and I definitely will see all of you guys on my next video. Thanks.